Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video in store for you as we delve into the impeccable fashion choices of the incredibly stylish Khushali Kumar. From her glamorous red carpet appearances to her casual street style, we'll explore the diverse looks that have captivated audiences worldwide. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Khushali Kumar is known for her innate sense of style, effortlessly blending sophistication with a touch of edginess. One aspect that defines her fashion journey is her ability to experiment with different silhouettes and make them her own. Just take a look at these breathtaking red carpet moments. The actress consistently stuns in elegant gowns that perfectly complement her figure. Whether it's a flowing princess gown or a sleek, form-fitting ensemble, she knows how to make heads turn with her impeccable fashion choices. But it's not just the red carpet where Khushali shines. Her street style game is equally on point. She effortlessly blends comfort and chic to create unique and eye-catching looks. From trendy athleisure outfits to bohemian-inspired ensembles, Khushali Kumar's street style is all about embracing individuality. She fearlessly pairs different textures, prints, and accessories to create fashion-forward looks that are both effortless and on-trend. Another aspect that makes Khushali's style stand out is her love for colors and patterns. She's not afraid to experiment with bold hues and vibrant prints, making every outfit a statement piece. Whether it's a vibrant floral dress, a geometric patterned pantsuit, or a bold monochrome look, the actress' fashion choices exude confidence and charisma. Let's not forget about her stunning collection of accessories. She knows how to elevate any outfit with the perfect finishing touches. From statement necklaces and oversized sunglasses to trendy handbags and designer shoes, Khushali Kumar's accessory game is always on point. She proves that paying attention to the finer details can truly make a difference in completing a look. Khushali Kumar, a renowned name in the world of fashion, has captivated audiences with her impeccable style choices. From red carpet events to casual outings, she effortlessly blends elegance, creativity, and individuality, making her a true fashion icon. Let's dive deeper into her fashion journey, exploring the various elements that make her style so extraordinary. One of the defining aspects of Khushali's fashion choices is her ability to embrace diverse silhouettes. Whether it's a flowing gown, a tailored suit, or a trendy jumpsuit, she knows how to accentuate her figure and make a statement. Her red carpet appearances are nothing short of awe-inspiring, as she confidently graces the event in breathtaking ensembles. From ethereal princess gowns to sleek and sexy numbers, Khushali's red carpet fashion is a sight to behold. But it doesn't stop there. The actress' street style game is equally remarkable. Known for her effortless and chic approach, she effortlessly mixes comfort with style, creating looks that turn heads wherever she goes. From athleisure outfits to bohemian-inspired attire, Khushali's street style is all about expressing her individuality. She fearlessly combines textures, prints, and accessories to curate fashion-forward looks that inspire others to embrace their unique sense of style. Color plays a vital role in Khushali's fashion choices. She isn't afraid to experiment with bold hues, vibrant patterns, and unexpected color combinations. Whether it's a vibrant floral dress, a striking monochromatic look, or a playful mix of colors, the actress' fashion choices are a testament to her boldness and confidence. Her ability to make color a focal point in her outfits sets her apart and showcases her creative flair. Accessories are another element that the actress masterfully incorporates into her looks. From statement necklaces and oversized sunglasses to trendy handbags and designer shoes, she understands the power of accessories in elevating an outfit. Whether she's going for a minimalistic approach or embracing bold and daring pieces, Khushali Kumar's accessory choices add that perfect finishing touch to complete her ensemble. In addition to her fashion prowess, she also pays attention to grooming and beauty. Her makeup and hairstyling complement her outfits, enhancing her overall look. Whether it's a classic red lip with a sleek updo or a fresh-faced glow with loose waves, Khushali knows how to strike the perfect balance between her fashion choices and beauty routine. Khushali Kumar's fashion choices have not only made waves in the industry but have also inspired countless fashion enthusiasts. Her ability to effortlessly blend elegance, creativity, and individuality serves as a reminder that fashion is a powerful form of self-expression. She encourages others to step out of their comfort zones and embrace their unique style, making fashion a truly personal journey. The actress' fashion choices not only speak to her personal style but also reflect her understanding of the fashion industry as a whole. She is known for collaborating with renowned designers, both locally and internationally, to create stunning and unique pieces. Her collaborations have resulted in collections that embody her vision and showcase her impeccable taste. Through these partnerships, she has been able to push boundaries, introduce innovative designs, and bring fresh perspectives to the fashion world. Moreover, Khushali's fashion choices extend beyond clothing. She also pays careful attention to her footwear selection, opting for shoes that perfectly complement her outfits and add an extra touch of sophistication. Whether it's a pair of classic stilettos, trendy sneakers, or statement boots, her shoe game is always on point, demonstrating her attention to detail and commitment to a cohesive overall look. Another aspect of Khushali fashion choices that deserves recognition is her commitment to sustainability and ethical fashion. As a responsible fashion influencer, she actively promotes brands and initiatives that prioritize environmentally friendly practices and fair trade. She understands the importance of conscious consumerism and strives to make a positive impact through her fashion choices. In addition to her red carpet and street style looks, the actress' casual and off-duty fashion choices also draw attention. Even in her most relaxed ensembles, she manages to exude effortless elegance. Whether it's a well-tailored pair of jeans and a simple blouse or a flowy maxi dress paired with sandals, she effortlessly embodies laid-back chic. Furthermore, Khushali's fashion choices go beyond clothing and accessories. She is known for her impeccable grooming, which includes well-manicured nails, flawless skin, and on-trend hairstyles. Her dedication to overall presentation adds an extra layer of polish to her fashion looks and further showcases her attention to detail. It's important to note that Khushali's fashion choices are not limited to a specific trend or aesthetic. She has a versatile fashion sense that allows her to experiment with different styles, adapt to various occasions, and continuously evolve. Whether she's sporting a glamorous evening gown or a boho chic ensemble, the actress maintains her individuality and makes every look uniquely her own. As Khushali Kumar's fashion choices continue to evolve, so does her influence on the fashion landscape. She has become a source of inspiration for designers, stylists, and fashion enthusiasts alike. Her fearless approach to fashion encourages others to step outside their comfort zones and embrace their unique sense of style. One of the reasons the actress' fashion choices resonate with so many is her ability to strike a balance between classic and contemporary elements. She effortlessly blends timeless elegance with trendy and avant-garde pieces, creating a style that is both sophisticated and on-trend. This versatility allows her to transcend fashion boundaries and appeal to a wide range of audiences. Another noteworthy aspect of Khushali's fashion choices is her attention to cultural influences. As an Indian fashion icon, she frequently incorporates traditional elements into her looks, paying homage to her heritage. Whether it's through the choice of fabrics, prints, or accessories, Khushali celebrates Indian craftsmanship and adds a touch of cultural richness to her outfits. In addition to her personal style, the actress is also known for her philanthropic endeavors in the fashion industry. She actively supports charitable organizations and initiatives that promote inclusivity, empowerment, and social change. Through her fashion choices, she seeks to make a positive impact and raise awareness about important social issues. Furthermore, Khushali's fashion choices extend beyond the physical realm. She uses her platform to advocate for body positivity and self-acceptance. By embracing her own unique beauty and showcasing a diverse range of body types in her fashion choices, she encourages others to love and appreciate themselves just as they are. It's important to mention that Khushali Kumar's fashion choices are not driven solely by trends or societal expectations. She stays true to herself and wears what makes her feel confident and empowered. This authenticity shines through in every outfit she wears, establishing her as a fashion role model for authenticity and self-expression. The impact of the actress' fashion choices extends beyond the realm of personal style. She has become a trendsetter, influencing fashion trends and setting new standards in the industry. Designers and fashion houses eagerly seek her collaboration, recognizing the value she brings to their brands. Khushali's fashion choices have also garnered international attention, making her a global fashion icon. Her ability to effortlessly blend elements from different cultures and fashion aesthetics resonates with audiences around the world. She has become a source of inspiration for fashion enthusiasts from diverse backgrounds, who look to her for guidance on how to incorporate their own cultural heritage into their personal style. Moreover, the actress' fashion choices extend beyond traditional gender norms. She embraces androgynous fashion with confidence, blurring the lines between masculine and feminine styles. Her ability to break free from societal expectations and challenge conventional norms has made her a trailblazer in the industry. In addition to her fashion choices, Khushali Kumar is known for her impeccable sense of fashion presentation. Her poise, grace, and confidence when she steps onto the red carpet or in front of the camera make her fashion choices even more impactful. She understands that fashion is not just about the clothes we wear, but also about how we carry ourselves and exude confidence. It's important to note that Khushali's fashion choices are not confined to high-end designer labels. While she often wears luxury brands, she also supports emerging designers and promotes sustainable fashion alternatives. Her willingness to embrace a wide range of brands and showcase their work demonstrates her commitment to fostering creativity and diversity within the fashion industry. Furthermore, the actress' fashion choices have transcended the boundaries of traditional media. She actively engages with her fans and followers through social media platforms, sharing glimpses of her daily style and providing fashion inspiration. Her online presence has created a community of fashion enthusiasts who admire and seek to emulate her unique sense of style. Beyond her fashion choices, Khushali's influence extends to her work as a fashion entrepreneur. With her keen eye for style and passion for the industry, she has ventured into launching her own fashion line. This endeavor allows her to bring her unique sense of fashion to a wider audience, sharing her personal style secrets and inspiring others to elevate their own fashion game. The actress' fashion line encompasses a diverse range of clothing, accessories, and beauty products. Each piece is thoughtfully curated and reflects her signature style, combining elegance, creativity, and individuality. From glamorous evening gowns to effortlessly chic separates, her fashion line offers something for every occasion and style preference. What sets Khushali's fashion line apart is her commitment to sustainability and ethical practices. She prioritizes environmentally friendly materials and production processes, ensuring that her fashion line minimizes its impact on the planet. By embracing sustainable fashion, she encourages her customers to make conscious choices and contribute to a more eco-friendly future. In addition to her fashion line, the actress also shares her fashion expertise through various digital platforms. She creates engaging content on social media channels, where she offers style tips, fashion advice, and behind-the-scenes glimpses into her fashion journey. Through these platforms, she fosters a community of fashion enthusiasts, creating a space where they can connect, learn, and be inspired. Furthermore, Khushali Kumar's fashion choices extend beyond her personal brand. She actively engages in philanthropic efforts, using fashion as a means to make a positive impact on society. She collaborates with charitable organizations, participates in fundraisers, and supports causes close to her heart. By leveraging her influence and platform, she amplifies important social issues and advocates for positive change. As Khushali's fashion choices continue to evolve, one thing remains constant: her dedication to empowering individuals through style. She believes that fashion is a form of self-expression and a powerful tool for boosting confidence and embracing individuality. Whether it's through her own fashion line, collaborations, or digital content, she seeks to inspire others to embrace their unique style and feel empowered in their own skin. The actress' fashion choices have not only captivated the fashion world but have also earned her recognition and accolades. Her impeccable sense of style has led to numerous awards and nominations, solidifying her position as a fashion icon. From Best Dressed lists to Style Influencer of the Year awards, Khushali's fashion choices have been celebrated and acknowledged by industry experts and fashion enthusiasts alike. Beyond the glitz and glamour, the actress' fashion choices have a profound impact on her personal life as well. They serve as a form of self-expression and allow her to connect with her inner self. Through her fashion choices, she communicates her mood, personality, and aspirations, creating a visual representation of her journey and growth. Moreover, the actress' fashion choices inspire others to embrace their own unique style and foster a sense of self-confidence. She encourages her followers to explore their fashion preferences, experiment with different looks, and step outside their comfort zones. By showcasing her own fashion journey, she empowers individuals to embrace their individuality and express themselves through style. It's important to highlight that Khushali Kumar's fashion choices are not limited to conforming to societal expectations. She breaks free from traditional beauty standards and embraces her own definition of beauty. Her inclusive approach to fashion challenges the industry's norms and encourages diversity and representation. In addition to her fashion choices, the actress' philanthropic efforts in the fashion world are worth mentioning. She actively supports causes related to women empowerment, education, and sustainability. Through collaborations with charitable organizations, she uses her influence to create positive change and make a difference in the lives of others. Looking ahead, Khushali's fashion choices will undoubtedly continue to evolve and inspire. As she pushes boundaries and explores new horizons, she will leave an indelible mark on the fashion industry. Her ability to blend elegance, creativity, and individuality sets her apart as a true fashion trailblazer. In addition to her personal fashion choices and entrepreneurial pursuits, Khushali's fashion influence extends to collaborations with renowned designers, fashion brands, and influencers. Her ability to seamlessly collaborate with others while maintaining her distinct style sets her apart in the industry. The actress' collaborations often result in limited edition collections that combine her fashion expertise with the unique perspectives and aesthetics of her partners. These collaborations provide an opportunity for her to explore new design elements, experiment with different materials, and push the boundaries of fashion. Her collaborations also serve as a platform for showcasing emerging designers and talent. She actively seeks out rising stars in the industry and provides them with opportunities to showcase their work through joint projects. This commitment to nurturing talent demonstrates her dedication to fostering creativity and supporting the next generation of fashion innovators. Moreover, the actress' fashion choices extend beyond traditional boundaries and embrace cultural diversity. She actively explores global fashion influences, drawing inspiration from different cultures, traditions, and aesthetics. This cross-cultural approach allows her to create fashion statements that resonate with a wide range of audiences and celebrate the richness of diversity in the fashion world. Khushali's fashion choices also extend to her philanthropic endeavors. She frequently uses her influence and platform to support charitable causes related to education, healthcare, and empowerment. Through fashion events, fundraisers, and collaborations with non-profit organizations, she raises awareness and funds for initiatives that make a positive impact in society. Furthermore, the actress' fashion choices extend beyond the physical aspects of clothing and aesthetics. She recognizes the importance of inner beauty, self-confidence, and personal growth. She actively promotes self-care, mental well-being, and body positivity, encouraging others to embrace their unique beauty and feel comfortable in their own skin. As Khushali continues to make bold fashion choices, she remains dedicated to inspiring others and creating a positive influence in the industry. Her passion for fashion, coupled with her commitment to social responsibility, sets her apart as a true role model for aspiring fashion enthusiasts. One aspect that sets the actress' fashion choices apart is her ability to seamlessly transition between different fashion genres. Whether it's red carpet events, casual street style, or high fashion editorials, she effortlessly adapts to each setting while maintaining her own unique flair. On the red carpet, Khushali Kumar consistently dazzles with her glamorous and sophisticated ensembles. She knows how to command attention and make a statement with her fashion choices, whether it's a figure-hugging gown with intricate detailing, a sleek and modern jumpsuit, or a voluminous ball gown that exudes elegance. Her choices of color, silhouette, and accessories are always carefully curated, ensuring that she stands out in a sea of celebrities. In her casual street-style looks, she showcases her ability to create effortlessly chic and laid-back outfits. She effortlessly combines comfort and style, often opting for well-fitted jeans, oversized sweaters, and trendy sneakers. Her ability to mix and match different pieces, along with her eye for accessories, elevates her casual looks to a whole new level. In high-fashion editorials, she embraces bold and avant-garde fashion choices. She fearlessly experiments with unconventional silhouettes, unexpected fabric combinations, and dramatic styling. Her ability to take risks and push the boundaries of fashion demonstrates her creativity and willingness to challenge the status quo. Moreover, the actress' fashion choices are not limited to clothing alone. She understands the power of accessories and how they can transform an outfit. From statement jewelry pieces to designer handbags and sunglasses, she knows how to choose accessories that enhance and complement her overall look. Her attention to detail is evident in her choice of belts, scarves, and even hair accessories, which further elevate her fashion choices. Another notable aspect of Khushali's fashion choices is her makeup and hairstyling. She experiments with different beauty looks, from natural and understated to bold and glamorous. Her makeup choices enhance her features and perfectly complement her outfits, while her hairstyling ranges from sleek and polished to loose and effortlessly tousled. She understands that beauty is a crucial part of fashion, and she pays equal attention to all aspects of her appearance. The actress' fashion choices have also made a significant impact on the fashion industry in terms of trends and market influence. When she wears a particular designer's creation or showcases a specific style, it often becomes an instant sensation and generates widespread interest. Fashion enthusiasts and fans eagerly anticipate Khushali Kumar's appearances and keep a close eye on her fashion choices, seeking inspiration for their own wardrobes. Her outfits are dissected and analyzed by fashion critics and bloggers, and her style becomes a point of reference for fashion commentary and trend forecasting. Fashion brands and designers often collaborate with Khushali Kumar, recognizing the value she brings to their collections. Her endorsement of a brand or collaboration on a limited edition line leads to increased visibility and sales, as her followers and fashion enthusiasts rush to emulate her style. Furthermore, Khushali's fashion choices have paved the way for inclusivity and diversity in the industry. She embraces fashion as a platform for representation and empowerment, challenging beauty standards and celebrating individuality. By showcasing a diverse range of body types, ethnicities, and styles, she encourages others to embrace their uniqueness and feel confident in their own skin. Beyond her individual fashion choices, she also supports emerging designers and promotes sustainable fashion practices. She recognizes the importance of nurturing new talent and encourages innovation within the industry. By championing sustainable fashion, she raises awareness about the environmental impact of the fashion industry and inspires others to make conscious choices. Khushali Kumar's fashion choices have not only captivated the fashion industry but also garnered recognition and accolades. She has been honored with numerous awards for her contributions to the world of fashion, including recognition for her philanthropic efforts and commitment to social causes. The actress' fashion choices have not only captivated the fashion industry and her fans but have also caught the attention of renowned fashion magazines and media outlets. She has graced the covers of prestigious fashion publications, becoming a sought-after muse for photographers and stylists who are drawn to her unique style and captivating presence. Her fashion choices are often featured in fashion editorials, where her ensembles are meticulously styled to create stunning visual narratives. These editorial spreads showcase her versatility as a fashion icon and further solidify her status as a trendsetter and style influencer. The actress' fashion choices have also garnered attention on digital platforms and social media. Her Instagram account, with its carefully curated feed showcasing her outfits and fashion moments, has amassed a significant following. Fashion enthusiasts eagerly await her posts, which provide inspiration and insight into her fashion journey. Additionally, Khushali's fashion choices extend beyond her personal brand and influence. She has collaborated with fashion and lifestyle brands, lending her expertise and creative vision to create capsule collections and exclusive collaborations. Her collaborations often sell out within hours, demonstrating the demand for her fashion sensibility and the loyalty of her fan base. Furthermore, Khushali Kumar's fashion choices have expanded beyond clothing and accessories. She has ventured into the world of beauty and skincare, launching her own line of products that align with her values of natural ingredients and sustainable practices. Her beauty line has garnered praise for its quality and effectiveness, further solidifying her position as a tastemaker in the fashion and beauty industries. The actress' fashion choices have also transcended borders and made an impact on the global stage. She has been invited to prestigious fashion events and shows around the world, where her style choices are closely observed and admired by fashion enthusiasts from diverse cultural backgrounds. One aspect that makes Khushali's fashion choices truly remarkable is her ability to use fashion as a form of self-expression and storytelling. Each outfit she wears tells a unique story, reflecting her mood, personality, and the message she wants to convey. She often uses her fashion choices to raise awareness and support important social causes. Whether it's wearing a statement piece that symbolizes unity and equality or donning a design that highlights environmental issues, she utilizes fashion as a powerful tool to amplify her voice and promote positive change. Moreover, Khushali's fashion choices are marked by their timelessness. While she embraces current trends, she also incorporates classic elements that stand the test of time. Her wardrobe consists of investment pieces that can be styled in various ways, ensuring that her fashion choices remain relevant and timeless. Another noteworthy aspect of Khushali Kumar's fashion choices is her attention to craftsmanship and detail. She appreciates the artistry and skill that goes into creating a garment and pays homage to designers and artisans through her fashion choices. Whether it's intricate embroidery, exquisite beading, or meticulous tailoring, she celebrates the craftsmanship behind each piece she wears. In addition, the actress' fashion choices are not limited to a specific age group. She appeals to a broad audience, ranging from young fashion enthusiasts to mature individuals who appreciate her sophisticated style. Her ability to cater to different age groups and demographics further solidifies her position as a fashion influencer with universal appeal. Furthermore, Khushali's fashion choices have a domino effect on the industry. When she wears a certain designer's creation or introduces a new trend, it often creates a ripple effect, with other fashion influencers and enthusiasts following suit. Her choices have the power to shape and influence the broader fashion landscape, leading to a wider adoption of certain styles or aesthetics. The actress' fashion choices have also made her a sought-after guest at fashion weeks and industry events worldwide. She is often seen sitting front row at prestigious fashion shows, lending her support to both established designers and emerging talents. Her presence at these events not only garners attention but also provides a platform for her to showcase her impeccable style and fashion-forward sensibilities. In addition to her personal fashion choices, she has also become a style icon for bridal fashion. Her wedding ensembles and bridal looks have been widely celebrated for their elegance, grace, and attention to detail. From traditional Indian bridal attire to contemporary fusion designs, Khushali's wedding fashion choices inspire brides to be around the world, setting new trends and redefining bridal aesthetics. Beyond her public appearances, the actress' fashion choices have also influenced the wardrobes of everyday individuals. Her social media presence and collaborations with fashion brands have made her accessible to a wide audience, allowing people to draw inspiration from her style and incorporate elements of her fashion choices into their own personal wardrobes. Moreover, Khushali's fashion choices extend beyond the realm of clothing. She is known for her impeccable grooming and beauty routines, often experimenting with different hairstyles, makeup looks, and skincare regimens. Her beauty choices complement her fashion choices, enhancing her overall style and adding another layer of creativity to her fashion narrative. As a fashion influencer, Khushali understands the responsibility that comes with her influence. She uses her platform to promote body positivity, self-acceptance, and diversity in the fashion industry. She advocates for inclusivity and encourages individuals to embrace their unique features and personal style, regardless of societal norms or beauty standards. The actress' fashion choices have also extended to the world of fashion philanthropy. She actively participates in charitable events and initiatives that aim to make a difference in the lives of those in need. Through her fashion influence and connections, she has collaborated with charitable organizations to raise funds and awareness for causes such as education, healthcare, and women's empowerment. In addition, Khushali Kumar's fashion choices have a global impact beyond the realms of high fashion and philanthropy. Her style has caught the attention of international designers and fashion houses, leading to collaborations and partnerships that bridge cultural boundaries and bring her unique fashion sensibilities to a wider audience. Furthermore, the actress' fashion choices have transcended traditional gender norms. She embraces gender-fluid fashion and pushes the boundaries of what is considered conventional for men and women. Through her fashion choices, she encourages self-expression and challenges societal expectations, inspiring others to embrace their own unique style without limitations. Khushali's fashion choices are also marked by her commitment to sustainability. She actively seeks out eco-friendly and ethically made fashion pieces, supporting brands that prioritize sustainability and responsible manufacturing practices. Her dedication to sustainable fashion sends a powerful message about the importance of environmental consciousness in the industry. Moreover, the actress' fashion choices have been recognized and celebrated with numerous accolades and awards. She has been honored for her contribution to the fashion industry, her philanthropic efforts, and her influence as a style icon. These accolades serve as a testament to her impact and influence within the fashion world. The actress' fashion choices have also had a significant impact on the fashion industry in terms of cultural representation and inclusivity. She celebrates her Indian heritage through her fashion choices, often incorporating traditional elements into her modern and global style. Her ability to blend Indian aesthetics with contemporary fashion trends showcases the beauty and richness of her culture while bridging the gap between different fashion worlds. Furthermore, Khushali's fashion choices have inspired aspiring fashion designers and artists. Many young creatives look up to her as a role model and draw inspiration from her bold and innovative style. Her ability to push boundaries and experiment with fashion encourages others to think outside the box and embrace their own unique creative expressions. In addition to her fashion choices, she is also known for her confident and graceful demeanor, which adds an extra layer of elegance to her overall style. She carries herself with poise and charisma, enhancing the impact of her fashion choices and making her a captivating presence on any red carpet or event. Moreover, Khushali's fashion choices have a global reach, transcending borders and resonating with people from different cultures and backgrounds. Her ability to connect with a diverse audience further solidifies her influence as a global fashion icon. The actress' fashion choices have not only influenced the fashion industry but have also become a source of inspiration for individuals looking to enhance their own personal style. Whether it's experimenting with different silhouettes, mixing patterns and textures, or incorporating unique accessories, her fashion choices provide a wealth of inspiration and ideas for fashion enthusiasts worldwide. One aspect that sets Khushali's fashion choices apart is her ability to seamlessly transition between different fashion genres and aesthetics. Whether it's sporting a glamorous red carpet gown or rocking a casual street-style ensemble, she effortlessly adapts to various fashion scenarios, showcasing her versatility and innate sense of style. Khushali's fashion choices also reflect her understanding of the power of fashion as a form of self-expression. She uses her clothing to communicate her mood, personality, and individuality. Each outfit she chooses tells a unique story and leaves a lasting impression, making her fashion choices an extension of her personal narrative. Furthermore, Khushali's fashion choices often reflect her adventurous spirit and willingness to take fashion risks. She isn't afraid to experiment with bold colors, unconventional silhouettes, and unexpected combinations. Her fearlessness in fashion inspires others to step out of their comfort zones and embrace their own unique style. In addition to her fashion choices, the actress is known for her impeccable styling. She has an eye for detail and understands the transformative power of accessories, hairstyles, and makeup in completing a look. Her attention to these elements elevates her fashion choices and adds an extra layer of sophistication to her overall style. Khushali's fashion choices also highlight her support for emerging designers and lesser-known brands. She actively seeks out and promotes talented up-and-coming designers, providing them with a platform to showcase their creativity and gain recognition within the fashion industry. This commitment to fostering new talent demonstrates her dedication to the growth and evolution of the fashion landscape. Moreover, the actress' fashion choices extend beyond the boundaries of traditional gender norms. She embraces gender-fluid fashion and blurs the lines between masculine and feminine aesthetics. Her ability to challenge societal expectations through her fashion choices promotes inclusivity and celebrates individuality. And there you have it, the actress' fashion choices have left us in awe, whether she's gracing the red carpet or embracing casual street style. Her ability to blend elegance, experimentation, and the pop of color truly sets her apart. We hope you enjoyed this journey through Khushali Kumar's fashion evolution. Let us know in the comments below which look was your favorite. And don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.